Are you looking for the best torches for sous vide? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best torches for sous vide on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Bernzomatic TS8000. The Bernzomatic TS8000 is a professional-grade torch that can allow you to sear steaks. But, it also offers the practicality to use it for making brulee or even soldering metal. It has a high-intensity flame and great heat output that can help to cut your sear times and ensure that your meat remains tender and juicy. The adjustable flame control knob makes it easy to maintain a safe and effective flame size and intensity. The model also features a longer nozzle that helps to keep the flame further away from your hand. However, despite this, the TS8000 is well balanced, making it easy to operate one-handed. You can fuel your TS8000 with either propane or MAPRO gas. While Bernzomatic does have their own branded gas cylinders, you can also use regular cans of propane. At number 2. Blazer GT8000 Big Shot. The Blazer GT8000 Big Shot offers big power yet has a streamlined design. It features a piezoelectric ignition system that makes it easy to use and eliminates the need for an external ignition. This is perhaps the easiest torch to use, making it a sure contender for the best torch for sous vide steak cooking. All you need to do is turn the fuel dial and you'll start to hear a hiss from the butane. Press the ignition switch and you'll feel a slight feedback as the torch ignites. The dial provides firm response motion against your finger, helping to adjust with precision. You can adjust the flame up to an impressive 5 inches. So, you can really wow your guests as you finish off searing your sous vide. The Big Shot is also capable of reaching temperatures of 2500 F. In fact, the Big Shot is so durable, you can use it for sous vide or in your workshop. The only issue with the torch is that you do need 2 hands to ignite it. At number 3. Kollea Kitchen Blow Torch. If you love to wow your dinner guests, you can really impress with the Kollea Kitchen Blow Torch. This torch has the versatility to handle all types of food prep, from caramelizing fruit or crisping bacon to searing delicious sous vide. The torch has a continuous flame lock that allows prolonged cooking without needing to hold down the ignition switch. You can also easily adjust the flame to reach up to 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a safety lock to prevent accidental ignitions and a finger guard to protect against burns. This superb versatility allows you to elevate any dish. You can finish your food with a quick sear for perfect presentation and flavor. You can even use your torch to create flashy, fun cocktails for your guests or take it with you on camping trips to light your grill or roast marshmallows. Finally, the Kollea is supported with a 100% risk-free warranty. It carries a 45-day money-back guarantee and a full 2-year warranty. So, if you are dissatisfied in any way, Kollea will work to resolve any issues. At number 4. EurKitchen Butane Kitchen Torch. The EurKitchen Butane Torch is a popular mini-blow torch ideal for home chefs. While many budding home cooks may feel daunted by professional-style torches, this one is specifically designed for a home kitchen. Although it may take longer to sear with a smaller flame and lower temperature, the EurKitchen is easy to use. It is also better suited to delicate tasks such as making bar cocktails, caramelizing cream brulee, camping, or even your arts and crafts projects. The torch has a fuel gauge and adjustable flame, making it simple to monitor your refill needs. While it may seem simple, the fuel gauge will help you avoid running out of fuel partway through a sear or finishing your cream brulee. It can produce a continuous flame up to 6 inches at temperatures up to 2370 F. There is also a myriad of built-in safety features. For example, there is a finger guard to help protect your fingers against burns and the extreme heat. There is also a safety lock to prevent gas flow leaking. At number 5. Tintec Chef Cooking Torch. The Tintec Chef Torch is a pro-style kitchen cooking torch by a well-regarded brand. It has a lightweight aluminum alloy shell with ABS plastic handle for a long-lasting body with a good grip. This means that it is unlikely to slip, even during heavy usage. The torch itself is short and small, so it has an easier feel than many other kitchen torches. The stainless steel nozzle is high temperature resistant and ensures durability. There is also a safety lock to avoid accidental ignitions. Additionally, the wide base prevents tipping without interfering with the ergonomics of the torch. Despite its small size, this model can reach temperatures of 2500 with easily adjustable flames. The Tintec Chef torch is also flexible enough for other uses around the home, including lighting candles, caramelizing desserts, and even soldering DIY jewelry. It is supplied with a screwdriver and brush for easy maintenance to ensure product longevity. At number 6. Spicy Dew Blow Torch. The Spicy Dew Blow Torch is a great tool for creating the perfect texture and flavor. This is a highly rated torch while carrying an affordable price tag. It can be a reliable tool to bring out the best in your sous vide dishes. From searing meat and melting cheese to caramelizing fruit or finishing off a brûlée, the Spicy Dew torch can handle it all. It has great usability and superb aesthetics. The compact design makes it easy to store in your kitchen, or you can even travel with it. Despite its modest proportions, the Spicy Dew has a number of superb safety features. There is anti-flare technology, a child safety lock, and hand protection guard. The torch is made using heavy-duty metals and has a sturdy base to prevent it falling over after you set it down.